Today we are going to talk about Abacus. Abacus is a Chinese tool used for calculations. How does it help us? It helps us to quicken our calculation speed, and apart from that, it also helps in brain development. Let's talk about the structure of Abacus. The Abacus has a frame. You can have an abacus, a 17 rod abacus or a multicolored 7 rod abacus. All of them serve the same purpose, so it does not make a difference whether the beads are colored or single colored. So coming back to the structure of abacus, there's a frame. All abacus have a frame. Then they have an upper part which has one single bead. There is a lower part having 4 beads each. So each upper bar, the upper part is called the upper bar and the lower part is called the lower bar. Upper bar has one single bead, the lower bar has 4 beads each. Then there is a line which divides the upper bar and the lower bar. This is called the divider line. We also call it the answer line because abacus gets a value when the beads they touch the divider line. Alright, now coming to the terminologies. We have in our right hand, we have the thumb which is called the lazy thumb and the index finger which is called the snake finger. Then in the left hand, we have the index finger and the middle finger. These two are called scissors. The index finger is scissor 1 and middle finger is scissor 2. Let's talk about the holding of abacus. The holding is done with the left hand. Left hand, 2 little fingers and thumb, they hold the abacus and the scissors are left free. So holding is done with the 2 little fingers and thumb of left hand with the scissors free. We can also say that abacus is a carrot and this is the rabbit's mouth. Rabbit is holding a carrot in its mouth and these 2 scissors are like the rabbit's ears. Then it is important to have the abacus clear before starting to work on the abacus. So to clear the abacus, we hold the abacus and with our right hand, lazy thumb and snake finger, we move from right to left. This helps to clear the abacus. The upper beads go up and the lower beads go down. So this is called zooming the abacus or to clear the abacus or to bring the abacus to 0 position. So how is it done? It is done by using the lazy thumb and snake finger from right to left to clear the abacus. Now the abacus is at 0 position. Talking about the value of beads, on the divider line there are few dots. We always pick up the middle dot and this rod is called the unit rod or ones rod. So here this is the unit rod, here the middle rod is the units rod, over here this is the units rod. Then the abacus gets a value when the beads touch the divider line. So either we have to move the lower beads up to touch the divider line or we have to move the upper beads down to touch the divider line. Coming to the value of beads, the lower beads are of the term 1 each. So this is 1, 2 beads going up, value becomes 2, 3 beads going up, value becomes 3, 4 beads going up, value becomes 4. The values on the ones rod each have value 1, 1, 1, 1 and the beads going up to the touch the divider line give it a value. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The upper bead standing alone on the top is of higher value. So one single bead alone is of value 5. We bring it down to touch the divider line, and this is 5. The upper bead always has values in terms of 5. So this is 1's rod. The value becomes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we are adding the values. To add the values, we take the lower beads up to touch the divider line, and we bring the upper beads down to touch the divider line. Once again revising 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5. Now coming to the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9. We call them butterfly numbers and we close them together. We bring them together to touch the divider line. 5 and 1, this is 6, but we close them together like a pinch. Close the pinch to make it 6. Close the pinch to make it 7, 8 and 9. Open the pinch to less the numbers. Less 9, add 9. Less 9, add 8. Less 8, add 7. Less 7, add 6. Less 6 and add 6. Clear the abacus by zooming from right to left. Now let's come to adding and lessing of sums. Suppose we have a few sums like adding all numbers between lower beads. So it can be a sum like add 4 less 1 less 2. So add 4 less 1 less 2. The answer is the number of beads touching the divider line, that is 1. Before the next sum, we will zoom and clear the abacus. Suppose now we want to involve the upper bead also, which is 5. So we have another sum, add 4, add 5, less 1. So add 4 with the lazy thumb, add 5 with the snake finger and less 1 with the snake finger. Again, the answer is 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's have another sum which will involve 6, 7, 8 and 9. So add 6, add 2, 2 beads together go up, add 1, less 3. The answer is 6. So that's all for today. We'll meet again.